去养学堂，上学堂，我们是快乐的成长，快乐成长。哇！一起学习，一起学习，充满着好奇，打开智慧的宝库，样样多神奇。一起努力，一起努力，充满着意义。寻觅、尝试、认识、探索知识，青青草原上追寻放飞的梦想。来吧，最开心的学堂，上学堂。
Pleasant Goat Fun Class, the Earth Carnival, Our Precious Fresh Water.
Welcome to today's Freshwater Collection Challenge.
Freshwater?
It's the type of water we use in our daily lives. Just collect fresh water from all over the playground and exchange it for tickets.
That's an easy challenge. See you later, guys. Let's go and catch up. I found water. Why didn't it work? What's the matter?
Hang on, Wolfie. Where did you get that water from?
From the sea.
That's why it didn't work. That's not fresh water. The salt content in seawater is too high. Fresh water contains less than 5 milligrams of salt.
So seawater's wrong? I'll go get something else then. So where else can I find water? I know, I'll go to the river. Yes, I got some river water. You're way too fast, Wesley. That's because I've always known that rivers are a source of fresh water. The tap water we use is river water that's been processed and treated. You should look for a new source, Wolfie. I'll get water somewhere else. There's a huge lake here. This will do. But why is the water level so low?
The dam is clogged. That's why the lake water can't flow in. We'll have to fix the dam to restore its normal volume and be able to get fresh water.
That's hard. I'll just look for another source. I think there's groundwater in this place. I found it! It's right here! Timmy, what exactly are you doing?
I'm extracting groundwater, Wolfie.
But how do you extract groundwater without digging?
Aside from digging, we can use a water pump to extract groundwater and bring it to the surface.
I'm sure I can find groundwater elsewhere! It's freezing. Why are you here, Patty? Are you here to steal my fresh water?
Hey, the fresh water here is mine! It's so cold, I can't find fresh water anywhere. Once it rains, I'm going to catch fresh water.
No fresh water here either? It's so cold I'm starting to freeze. I know where I can get fresh water.
This is really amazing! You all found fresh water!
Wait for me!
Hey, Wolfie!
I found it! Achoo! Just like you, I found fresh water!
Wolfie, this is ice. You brought the wrong thing. Come on, it's not even water.
No, Wolfie is right! Glaciers are another form of fresh water, Sparky. When ice is exposed to heat, it melts into a liquid state. In fact, the biggest fraction of the world's fresh water comes from glaciers and glacier water.
You heard that? I'm the best! Achoo!
Congratulations! You found fresh water! You can now collect your prize tickets!
Look, I got the most tickets!
Wait a minute. Do you know where Patty is?
I wonder why it hasn't rained yet.
Why is there no water?
Huh? What happened to the water?
Wolfie, you're wasting precious water! We have
rivers, lakes, groundwater, and glaciers. We will never run out of water.
It might seem like we have plenty of fresh water, but there are also many people living on Earth. If we're not careful, we'll face water shortage problems.
I'm really sorry. I'm not going to waste water anymore.
Therefore, kids, let's protect our water resources together.
Different changes. All the changes are so beautiful. This is precious fresh water. River and lake water, groundwater and glaciers, they are fresh water. Everyone needs it for lives. All people need water for living. The water has different changes. All the changes are so beautiful. This is precious fresh water. Water for living. The water has different changes. All the changes are so beautiful. This is precious fresh water.
Hey kids, did you like the song you just heard? We hope to see you again next time.
别看我只是一只羊